Hey guys, so can I just apologise for not uploading for 2 weeks? So yeah, just to say sorry, I'm going to show you all my fidget spinners in 5 minutes. So we're bringing back the tub. Now first I have the super cool one, which is just here. Now this is called, well, I'm calling it the Captain America shield, because look at that. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's spinning really cool. On one side it's it's like one of those cuckoo eyes things, and on the other side you can barely see it spinning. Ay caramba. So yeah, you can only just tell that it's spinning by that side. So yeah, now you've got that done and out the way, there you are. Got this off the market for £10 in some. So yeah, next we have, next we have the super cool X2777 with the rainbow bands on. Okay, so the good thing about this F2777, which is with all of them, you can take these little knobs off, and look, you can make it as unbalanced as you want. You can even make a 3-sided one with this one. Gee, that's how cool it is. Look, 3 sides. Look how damn cool this is. This one, £10, a little pricey, but yeah, hey, it's a cool fidget spinner. So I'm going to put that back in its box, but I'm going to cut it first. So yeah, we're going to put it back in its box. Next we have a super cool Lamborghini Aventador. It's a 2-sided fidget spinner, and it's really good. It spins really well. Okay, so that's a good spinner, high quality. Buy this one off the internet. Then we have this one, I don't know what these are called. Got a blue and of course an orange. Spin really well. £2. Really good for a £2 fidget spinner. So yeah, buy these ones. £2, really good. Lex Glow in Dark. You obviously know about this one, right? Just glows in the dark. Okay, so yeah. Then we've got this, my Indian one. If I get it close, it looks like it's got some extra orange on. That's because it rusted, sadly. It still works pretty well. Now this one, which I said do not buy, yeah, because it breaks easily. Well, that problem seemed to have been solved just a tiny little bit, just so it spins for just a bit longer. Still, do not buy this one. Yeah. Then we've got an LED one of these Lamborghini Aventadors, but thicker. $5.99, bit pricey. Do not buy. I like this one. Good for its price, so I buy it. Okay. So yeah. Then we've got this. This was a regular blue one, but my brother spray painted it. So look, one side, the other. Take a look at the whole spinner. And then we have a super cool Batman one. This is ball bearingless, but that's what it looked like originally. Yeah. Then we've got this super weird green one, which the bearings, we lost one of the bearings, but there's one of them. There. That's how we have it now since we lost. So these are the only bearings we have left from it. Then we've got the super cool LED. Or LED, however you want to say it. I've got 2. as you know. Blue one broke. Red. Anyway, by the way, the red one, finger pad lost, but hey, I can help that because I'm a problem solver. And then look, LED. Then we've got another one of the, and finally, last but certainly not least, the mini paint splatter. Thank you for watching. I'm going to end this now because this is going on way too long. So peace out. Anyway, who is in this tomb? I'll give you a clue. It's someone to do with Marvel. Peace out.